Hi, and welcome back to the Garmin Tread tutorials. So in this one, I'm going to show you how to adjust and customize your little widgets on the side over here. And basically, these are just shortcuts to the apps. So if you hit the apps button up here, you're going to come in here, you got navigation, adventure, and tools. And then under navigation, these are all the little pieces you have. You have cameras, road trip, all that stuff. Go to the next page, you got the adventure, all the stuff for the adventure stuff. And then the next one down is the tools. There's also an owner's manual in there to help you out in system updates and your settings. So if you wanted to change these up, say like this one right here says view maps. Well, I don't need a view maps there because I have the big one over here says view maps. So if you're used to iPhones, it's kind of similar, but a little bit different. So on an iPhone, when you hold it, you get a little trash can down here at the bottom. You like press and hold on it until the little trash can pops up and you just drag it to the trash can. Well, I had the hardest time because it doesn't have the little trash can. There's a little X that pops up over here in the corner that I didn't realize was there. And for the longest time when I first got it, I struggled with it for like an hour trying to figure out how to do this. So you just press and hold on it and then you can move it and you see the X over here in the corner. That's your little trash can. So you want to bring it to the X. And it says remove when you get close to it. That's how I figured it out. Now, so that one's gone. Now we can go to apps. Let's go to apps. And let's say we want, let's say we want round trip, right? That's a little tool for making little round trip maps. So we'll grab it. And the moment you grab it and start to move it, it's going to bring up your basic home page right here. And then it's showing you where you can put it. So we'll put it right there. Simple as that. Now, say you want to do multiple ones like I got in these two little boxes here. All you got to do is bring it over and it'll let you put it in that box. And that's as simple as that for setting up your screens. Same thing with these. You can grab these guys and move these around so you can set your screens up however you want them. So I hope that helps someone out, and keep watching for the next one. And if you like these little tutorials on this, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. Comment what you'd like to see and I'll either figure it out or I'll show it to you. Thank you.